Hey guys, giving honor to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ because he's so worthy to be acknowledged and praised on this day and any other day. Wouldn't you agree? Today, guys, I'm making a simple meal of rigatoni carbonara. So it's going to be pasta. We're going to use this right here, the rigatoni. And we're going to use some Oscar Mayer real bacon bits. A little golden vegetable soup mix to put in my roux. You know, a roux is flour and butter or flour and water to make a gravy. And we're going to use some sun-dried some sweet tomatoes. We're going to use some mini sweet peppers, green onions, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and heavy whipping cream. I have my water back there boiling with salt in it. I have a pan right here with a little cooking oil to add my veggies and then my bacon. Let's get this meal started, guys. Welcome to Deborah's Delicious Dishes Kitchen here in Orange, New Jersey. And to top it off, we're going to have some Texas toast. All right, guys, stay with me and watch this recipe. Just pop my top of the head of the sweet mini pepper over. Rip it up. You don't got to do no fancy cutting because the machine is going to do that. Here, put your thumb in. Take the head off. Take out the seeds. Tear that bad boy open. Easy peasy. Voila. It's done. So here we go with the garlic. Whatever doesn't squeeze out, we get it from here.
guys. Thank you for coming. God bless.